What's going on, everybody? Today we got on a special edition of Eruo Whipz. We're gonna be doing a few things to my Benz. Right now we're gonna walk over and check it out, you know what I'm saying? Got a few packages right there, you know what I'm saying? And gotta keep your mask on, man. These trying times, this damn COVID-19, man, you know what I'm saying? But it's still your boy Kelsey, dude, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, keep your mask on, let's get to it. These are the next two. I'm gonna be doing my projects on the Beamer right there, and the Audi right there. So let's get to it. Alright. So right now, we're gonna be working on the project right there. 99 C230 Kompressor, Mercedes-Benz. Y'all see it. Y'all see, I got a little bit of detail from the last time. Yeah, doing some work on my 1999 C230 Kompressor. And as you can see, I did a little bit of work. I put this subwoof bar right here. Sorry I didn't do a video for that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna wait because I got some door guards that I'm gonna put up there, you know what I'm saying? And I got window guard that's gonna go right there. But today, I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna put a wing on the back of her right here. So, and I got some console work to do because on the inside of my console, this doesn't light up. You know what I'm saying? This button don't light up. So I'm gonna change the whole console out right there. So y'all stay tuned for that. Alright? As you can see, this is the wing spoiler for the back. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get started. First you need to clean out your area because it comes with 3M tape. See? It comes with that 3M tape right there. So you need to clean out this area right here. So I ain't got a towel today, but I'm just do it with my shirt. You know, could be gangster. Just do it with my shirt like that. Make sure the area is prepped down. You know. So I'll come back and show y'all how I apply it on there. So first, you want to get it to how you want it. You also want the edges. See? You also want the edge to match up to the trunk. So you want to make sure position it right. And you go all the way along the edge like that. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Sorry about the camera work. So you want to get it on the edge like that. And smooth it out. And pull the 3M tape. You know what I'm saying? Pull the 3M tape while you're doing it. And straighten it. And keep it straight. There's a little hump right here on the back of the Benz. So I'm going to put it just right above it. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it straight. Keep it moving, you know? Move it on there. Funk it out. Just keep it straight. Tape. Make sure. Straighten it up. Make sure it's straight like that. Make sure it's down on the car. As you can see, funked it out. Perfect edge. Perfect line. So make sure it's on there. So it's on there tight. Get it from a back angle. Boom. We're all set. Okay, next up what we gotta do is take out that center console. I gotta take out the radio and take out this little black cubby hole right here. But as y'all can see, I already got the new unit the new unit right there, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna put in, so like I said, it's gonna go right up in there, you know. And like I said, it's the light on this side. It's on back, light on that side that I need. So okay. First thing is, got 2 screws right at the bottom right there. I need to take out. I should have used the. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, I can get it with this. But take these 2 screws out. I can put them down there. Those 2 screws are right here. So you want to make sure to keep these and put them in a safe place or something. For now, we're just gonna sit them on the seat right here. Next, we want to take out this radio part. So it's an aftermarket radio. We want to take out the trim. I gotta pull the radio out. This is always the hard part. If I can get it. Sometimes they want to be stubborn. There you go. Want to be stubborn sometimes, but just assemble the harness. Come on off of there. It's got a lot of stuff on there, so if I can get it. Hold on, I hit y'all back. Gotta take this over. Alright, next, you want to take out this little console right here. This little cubby hole. Remove all the wires. You know, you want to take this out. It just pop out. It's got little clips on it. So this one broke right there, but you know, you can just pop it out. You set that off to the side right there. And then we are going to, it's 4 screws, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. You know, just be careful with the wires. But, oh snap! I thought I had my Phillips on there, but I'll take these 4 screws off right here. If I can get up in there. They don't. There you go. Come on out of there. Come on out of there, you. It's kind of hard. Let me get a smaller one. But a smaller one in there. Should go right in there. Come on, thing. They kind of hard. They kind of all the way up in there, so you got to make sure you got a nice grip on them to get them out. Yeah, can't really see, but smooth it out the way. Once you get good grip on the leg, come out. This one. Go up in there all the way. Yeah. Hold on, I'll be back. Hold on. Alright. So now we got those 4 screws off. And now you can see I'm able to put all this wire and stuff through here to get this little bracket off of there. Which I lost one of the screws, by the way. But next, you want to undo all of this wiring right here for all of these buttons. So come with a little pinch thing to let you do it. Actually, for real, you ain't really even got to do that. You just sit them up to the side right there, and then this should come out. Slide it up, I think. Or it might have two. I have two things right there. Yeah, it's got two things that you pull off to the side. Pull it out like so, and then pull this down. Push this in. It's a little button right there. You push that in. If I can get it. Push that in. Slide that down. Oops, sorry about the camera. But and this comes off. Boom. And that's your unit right there. Same one as that one. You know? So you can hear the rattling. You can hear the rattling that's in there. You know, it's got, hear that? It's got some stuff in there, so that was making that not work and that not light up. So let's put the new one on, right? So take this, same deal, put it on there like that. Put it in, make sure it's in there. Fold this down. Clamp it, boom, you're in there. And they're like swimwear. Now, the tricky part to putting this back on her is to make sure these things go in those white holes right there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure that these are face down in order to put them in there like that. They'll go right in there, but you gotta sit them in there right. Which I think they ain't even, it's not even right yet. Maybe is it up? Just one of the two. Up? Yeah, I think it's up, I think. We gonna get it in there. Let's see. Let's see if it'll go in there. Clicked in there, but it's not in them things, so you gotta work with it. It's not in that. It's not in them things. So it's gonna take some fooling around. It's gonna be tricky. But I hit y'all back when I get it in there right. So after fighting with this thing, like I said, I had to get these. Let me show y'all. I had to get these little two things. They're hooks in the back behind there, so you gotta get them in there perfect so they can turn. So finally got it in there. So I'll be back with the end result in a minute, just to show y'all. As y'all can see, console is lit up at nighttime. Let me cut this down so y'all can see. Like I said, both lights are working. You know what I'm saying? All the middle lights are working. Those lights are working up there, and the radio is working. So I just had to give y'all a visual at night. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all couldn't see it during the daytime. So you know what I'm saying? But like I said, everything's working. It says kills Eruo again, Eruo Whipz, C230 Kompressor. You hear it, you know what I'm saying? Tune in next week, you know what I'm saying? The rims going on, you know what I'm saying? And tint the windows and got some more window guards going on. So I'll let y'all. Peace. And once again, it's back to normal. It was hell pulling this back together, but like I said, getting those little things inside the holes, you know what I'm saying? That was the hard part, but other than that, you know what I'm saying? I did it, put it back together, you know what I'm saying? So you see it's flush, it's mount, you know what I'm saying? Everything cool. So join us again on this next episode of Eruo Whipz, where I'll be doing the wheels. I'll be changing the wheels on this. and you know, Floss is gonna have something for y'all, you know, on his car, you know. And then once I get done with this project, I'll move on to the Beamer and the Audi. So y'all stay tuned, man. This is boy Kelzaloo, HPNT. Make sure you go to check out our videos and music. Shout out to everybody that's supporting us, you know what I'm saying. Check out Floss stuff, check out Natty stuff. We got some new stuff coming for y'all. Floss album will be out soon. So yo, y'all check that out, man, and keep it posted here. Go to my channel too, my other channel for the music and the videos. That's Kelzaloo the producer on YouTube. Kelzaloo, all one word, KELLZDALOU, the producer. You know what I'm saying? And check us out. You know what I'm saying? HPNT, High Performance Entertainment. So I'm out, man. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.